lesson, we went over how to do some basic mathematics in Python. Now what we're going to do is use our knowledge of being able to use these functions and actually hopefully create some useful program. So I have a little starter thing here. So the goal of this project is to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle that is 5 by 3 centimeters. So we could, as a starting point, hopefully we know that area is length times width. We could just write that in. Just want to save my program first. And when we run that, we do get the right answer, but it's not really formatted very nicely. So what we should be doing is actually telling the user what it is we're going to be doing and then actually showing them the information. So we're just going to add a couple more print statements so that people understand what it is we're trying to do here. Just going to show what it looks like now. So now we're at least telling the person what the original dimensions are, and we have our answer, but really we need some more formatting like we did last time to actually tell them the area is and then what the answer is. So we're just going to copy one of these so that we can use it. Another trick you can do is just do that, which will put a blank line in for you. And here we have our formula. So we don't need that anymore. So that looks much better, except once again, we have a slight problem. We need to put the units and squared. So because we're using this new formatting thing, it doesn't actually have to be at the end. It can be in the middle of our print statement as well. So that looks much better. And we'll use the same kind of logic to figure out the perimeter as well. Remember, perimeter is linear, not squared. And there we go. So that's how you would use Python to actually calculate some useful mathematical problem that you actually have.